listen to the voice of the Lord. Our verse for today is in Psalms 33, verse 18. But the eyes of the Lord are on those who fear him, on those whose hope is in his unfailing love, to deliver them from death and keep them alive in famine. Do you fear the Lord? Do you trust him? Do you put your hope in him? Friends, if you do, then we are told today that the eyes of the Lord are upon you. He is watching over you. Yes, for what purpose? Not to punish you, friends, but actually to sustain you in his loving care. Because we are told that he will deliver you from death, and he will provide for your needs even in times of a famine. And so, friends, this is God. And if you think that your labor in the Lord is in vain, friends, think again. No, it's not. He rewards each one of us with good things for the good that we do for him. And so let's continue to have the fear of God. Let's trust in him. Let's put our hope in him. Friends, the better way is to act out the word. He gives us commands every day. And that's how we prove that indeed we fear God. Because if we don't fear him, friends, we defy his commands. Yes, we rebel against him. We put our hope in somebody else, in something else, rather than putting our hope in God. See, friends, if we do these things, then we don't have the fear of God. But if we have the fear of God, then we listen to him and obey his commands. Then he will shield us from all evil, even from death. He said that he will deliver us from death. No wonder, friends, there are many challenges that we face every day. We are exposed to all kinds of burdens and issues and even temptations. We are exposed to all kinds of dangers. And yet God has been watching over us, keeping us safe, to deliver us from death. And even in famine, friends, when there is an issue financially, God is able to provide, because he will provide food for us in famine. Yes, remember, friends, that he will provide the basic needs of each one of us. Not the ones, maybe in times of famine, when there is recession and all kinds of financial trouble in the land. Friends, you might find yourself not actually enjoying the things that this world can provide, because you got to think about the food first. But the Lord will provide for the food. And so, friends, he will sustain us in good times, and even in bad times, friends, he will be there to help us, to keep us strong, to keep us healthy and ready to serve him always. And so this is God, friends. And it all starts with the fear of the Lord. Yes, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. And if we have the wisdom to live this life, definitely we can avoid all kinds of issues in life, all kinds of problems. Yes, if we get the wisdom, friends, we can even prosper in the midst of recessions or financial troubles in the land, because we get the wisdom again to live our lives. So today, this is an assurance from the Lord that if we fear him, if we put our hope in him, he will watch over us. Amen. And so be assured, friends, that every day you have someone watching over you to protect you and to provide for you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May he lift up his countenance on you and give you his peace, his shalom. God bless. See you next time. Bye.